studies classes. In previous classes we discussed about the objective of business, and in these classes we discuss about the new topic, that is business risk. Let's discuss this topic. So we know the meaning of business. Now we discuss the meaning of risk. What is risk? Risk is basically the possibility, or we can say that the chances of losses, which is basically faced by every businessman. And this risk is involved the word that is uncertainties. And uncertainties is unknown to us. These are basically those situations which are not known to us. For this purpose, we can take an example, that is, this is a business, and in every businessman face the risk in every stage of their business life, and this is the goal of the business. To reach this goal, the business go through different stage, and this stage is full of risk. We cannot say that which stage is full of which risk. For this purpose, we take an example of business risk, that is the demand of product is declined. Due to the causes may be technological changes, or maybe increase the competitors' products, or maybe change in customers' taste and preferences, etc. So these are the basically example related to your business risk. For this purpose, we can say that every businessman cannot be avoid this risk, but they can minimize this risk. So in this chapter or in this topic, we study the type of risk, their causes, their natures, and how to minimize. Let's discuss this concept one by one. Now we discuss our first concept, that is types of business risk. So the business risk is basically divided into two parts, that is speculative risk and another is pure risk. So speculative risk is basically related to your possibility of gains and both the possibility of losses. So this risk is basically involve both the possibility of losses as well as the gains. And this risk is arises due to change in market conditions, change in price levels, change in customers' fashions, change in customers' taste and preferences. That means the favorable situations leads to your gain to the business, and the unfavorable situation leads to losses to the business. Next is pure risk. Pure risk is basically related to possibility of losses or no losses. That means it is related to due to chances of fire, chances of theft, chances of strike, etc. are related to your pure risk. That means the occurrence of this risk leads to losses to the business, and the non-occurrence of this risk leads to absence of losses to the business. So these are basically the concept of types of business risk. Now we discuss the natures of business risk. So the natures of business risk involves due to uncertainties, the risk is essential part of the business, the nature and size of the business, and the profit is the reward for the risk taking. Let's discuss this one by one. First we discuss the risk is due to uncertainties. And what is the meaning of uncertainties? Uncertainties is basically related to lack of knowledge. And this knowledge is basically related to what is going to be happen in future. So uncertainties basically involve this thing, that is fluctuation in demand and supply of product. That means increase in your demand and supply or decrease in your demand and supply. Next is your change in government policy. For this purpose we can take example, that is GST implementation. When the GST was implemented in India, the lot of people faced this problem to know about the concept of GST and to know about its applications also. And natural calamities also come under the uncertainties, and for this purpose we take the example, that is earthquake, or we can take the example, recent example, that is corona pandemic situation. That means these are related to your uncertainties. And next is your improvement of technology. That means our technology is changed in day by day, and these are related to your uncertainties which are unknown to us. That means we have no idea what is happening in future. Next is risk is an essential part of the business. We can say that this is an important part of the business. How? Because we cannot escape these risks totally, but the businessman can be minimize this risk but cannot be avoided or cannot be eliminated this risk. For this purpose, Peter Drucker said that bearing risk is the essential element of the business risk. Next is the nature and size of the business. The risk is also fluctuate according to the nature and size of the business. If the business is your large scale basis, then there is a high degree of risk. Or if the business is small scale basis, then this involves a low degree of risk. And the nature, maybe we can say that for the telecommunication company or a fashionable company may face different degree of risk. We can say that the telecommunication company face low risk as compared to fashionable risk. That means telecommunication face low risk and fashionable company face high degree of risk. Or we can say that there is a comparable between a fashionable product with the necessary goods. The fashionable product bear the high degree of risk and the necessary product related to bear the small degree of risk. So this is related to your nature and size of the business. Next is your profit is reward for the risk taking. That means the tagline is no risk, no gain. Or we can say that if your risk is high, then you get return is here also high. And if your risk is low, then your return is also low. So that is the basically the natures of the business risk which involve in 4 categories. And this is related to your nature of the business risk.